Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share one positive news which is coming up from the industry. Yes, you heard it very right. It is very difficult to get positive news these days because recession, cost cutting and all these things are going on. But there is a company, there are two companies who are going to do mass hiring. One is the consulting firm Guidehouse. It is planning to hire 2,000 people for its newly opened office in Chennai. This news was also covered in Economic Times. Apart from that, there is one more company, Daimler Truck, which is also planning to increase its headcount by 750 at its Bangalore R&D center. It was also covered in Economic Times, right? So for Guidehouse, the CEO Charles Baird, he has also confirmed that companies' digital offerings in the areas like managed services, engagements, and all those things are improving, right? Hence, the company is planning to increase its headcount by almost 2,200. So 2,200 engineers are going to get hired at Guidehouse plants, and 750, almost 750 to 800 are going to get hired at Daimler Truck. So I'm sharing the link of the Guidehouse careers page on this in the comment section of this video. You can have a look and you can keep a check on this particular careers link. You might see some new openings coming up in this year for the Chennai location, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.